Most motorcycle cushions on the market today are repurposed wheelchair cushions. The difference between a moving wheelchair and a moving motorcycle is dramatic. I designed BikeCushion specifically for motorcycles. Its patented design adjusts to provide a customized fit that surrounds the rider's knobby ischial bones. The even weight distribution improves blood flow. It also provides a cushion of air that absorbs the engine vibrations and the bumps in the road, which means less fatigue and a more comfortable ride. BikeCushion is handcrafted in the US and installation is easy. Its universal strapping system fits most cruisers and sport bikes on the market. It comes with a 2-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. The BikeCushion is the most effective and economical way to increase riding comfort and to reduce fatigue.